About 5 or 6 years ago, I was waking up with numb fingers and decided to look for chiropractic care. I always try to go the natural route instead of surgery first or anything invasive. So I came, had decompression therapy, was great for 5 years, no problems at all. I had been in a car accident last year and my neck was kind of bothering me, and then I started waking up with horrible numbness, pain down my arms, my fingers would stay numb all day, and I'm a chef, so I use my hands constantly. Before I came to Texas Spine Clinic, I went to my primary care doctor who referred me to the surgeon, and I was doing just hot and cold compresses, having massages, but it was way beyond just those kinds of treatment, which is why they recommended me for surgery that I didn't end up needing. Saw a surgeon and he told me I needed surgery right away, had to happen. I was gonna lose function of my hands, which can't happen, just can't happen. And I scheduled surgery because it scared me so much. And 2 weeks before I went in for the pre-op appointment, and I was having shoulder pain also. That was terrible. My shoulder was stuck to my side, couldn't move it. And I was in tears. But that morning I had my appointment later, and when I went, they wouldn't address the shoulder, and I thought it was happening because of the neck, but I wasn't sure. Thought maybe I dislocated my shoulder. Never did that before, but first time for everything. And they sent me away just to get x-rays and wouldn't include a shoulder x-ray or anything. And when I came back for the follow-up appointment, we read it together, and it was nothing but a 3-level fusion was gonna fix this. And I was gonna lose basically all function in my arms, my hands, and my livelihood, my career, all of those things. So it was urgent that I get it taken care of. I was driving home and thought, I'm gonna call Dr. Huffman because he treated me before. And I called him and said, I'm scheduled for surgery in 2 weeks. I don't even know if you can help me. They said I need a 3-level fusion and I don't want to do it. I haven't felt comfortable about it from the moment they said it, but I did it out of panic. Is there anything you can do for me? And he said, how soon can you get here? And I got here in San Antonio traffic at 4:30 is when I made the call. And I got here at 5:03. And this whole team worked to relieve my pain that day. Had 5 treatments on me and 75% pain reduction, 1 treatment. And he got my records the next day, and I have a pretty bad herniation, a 9mm disc herniation, and it is pinching the cord in my neck. But I was afraid that it was the same two that we had worked on 5 years ago. I didn't know. Or the surgeon had told me that it was progressive, so I thought it has to be the same discs. When Dr. Huffman pulled up both side by side, not the same discs. The ones that he did 5 years ago, still perfect, still in great shape. So I started decompression therapy just 2 months ago, and I have probably 90% reduction in pain at this point. I still have a little bit to go, still doing adjustments, and I'm probably gonna need a little maintenance from here on out, but it helped me escape surgery, a 3-level fusion, and I couldn't be more grateful. This team takes care of me every single time, talks to me. Dr. Huffman talks to me after every appointment. We adjust the treatment, and I could not recommend this place any more than I already do to everyone.